Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, pasensya na medyo late, pero at least present na ako ngayon. Tingnan natin kung anong energy update ng ating mga ka-UVG dyan. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, so just take how it resonate po. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Stay connected po tayo sa mga makaka-resonate. Thank you po in advance sa mga makaka-resonate. Better luck next time po sa mga just check your moon sign, sun sign, and moon sign, Venus sign para po mas accurate. So, tingnan natin. Anong kaganapan kayo VG Collective? Eight of Water, Queen of Water, Eight of Pentacles, sorry. Queen of Water, Nine of Air, and the Ace of Water. Sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, you are loving your job here. Working so hard. Okay. I mean, work smart, not hard. Okay. But I think meron kang minamanifest na bago dito. Nagbabala ka bang magnegosyo? Bottom of the deck. Six of Fire. Win-win outcome is in the horizon, Virgo. So, kung ano man ang mga binabalak mo, Virgo, regarding sa mga gusto mong mangyari, or gusto mo ng increase dito, it will happen. Or, meron ka ditong bonus at saka level up. Meron ka ditong promotion din, nakikita ko. Magiging emotionally fulfilled ka when it comes to career, Virgo. Okay. Tapos, meron ka pang mga ideas dito with the Magician. Meron kang minamanifest dito na be your own boss at the same time. Pero hindi ka, I think, yung career mo is mag-stabilize at saka mag-level up. Meron akong promotion na nakikita. Okay. People sees you as like hard worker, but nagtatrabaho ka. You put your soul and your heart into it. Okay. So, sometimes, with the Nine of Air, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights. King of Air. Someone here is noticing your power here, Virgo. Nanonotice nung tong person na to na you have a lot of strength. Capable kang gawin. Parang tawag yan. Multi-purpose. All-purpose. Hindi ko alam kung anong trabaho meron ka, anong career meron ka, pero I think you handle the situation with compassion, no? Yeah, with compassion, at saka, um, talagang reliable na masasabi. Very reliable, you do your job with compassion. Okay, hindi lang yung basta magtatrabaho ka lang kasi sinasahuran ka. I think you enjoy because meron kang knowledge na nagigain dito. Okay, you see yourself as a student when it comes to your career. Okay. So, itong person na to nakikitaan ka niya ng potential. I think kumukuha ka lang ng mga, sa sinabi kong estudyante, I think, experience is the best teacher. Meron kang mentality na ganun, tapos lahat ng mga naging experience mo, pwede mo siyang gamitin to build your own. Yun ang nakikita ko dito with the Magician card and the World card, together with the Ace and the Empress card, based on experience. Okay. So I think if you are the Empress already, and with the World card is being here, and the Ace of Cups, I think yung compassion mo, at saka yung eagerness mong matuto, at saka yung mga diskarte mo, with the Ten of Cups, okay, I think meron ka na ditong na-accomplish, okay, or graduate or something in that line, finish contract, or leveling up, promotion, or tawag niyan, increase, okay, bonus kind of energy. But kahit na i-suppress mo siya, may mga hidden ano ka dito, may mga jealous people dito when it comes to you, to your career, okay. So, parang kang pero I think nase-sense mo and you don't care. Okay, kung ano man ang isipin nila. The Moon Guard, and hindi mo maikukubre, hindi nila kasi maikukubre kung anong capable kang gawin. Full experience ka with the Empress card. Hindi ko alam kung ang samot-saring trabaho ang pinasukan mo since birth at nahasang-hasa ka when it comes to the field that you want, Virgo. You put your soul, you put your heart, you put your mind into it. Kahit nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights, okay. Tsaka yung creativity mo dito as in bonggang-bongga, productivity mo, you are a creator, multiplier. Para bagang yung lemon, ginawa mong lemon juice. Para basta you turn something into something amazing kind of energy, Virgo. And some people here is very jealous kasi hindi nila alam kung anong level ka. Meaning, yung creativity mo dito ang lakas ng dating, okay. And someone is, hindi ko alam dito sa King of Air kung na-attach na to sa'yo or something. Seven of Air. Pay attention sa mga taong nakapaikot sa'yo, okay. Mga tawag din. May nagpa-pop out sa isip ko nitong card na to. Kanta siya, mag-ingat sa mga tangka. Hihilahin ka nila pababa. I don't know. Something in that line. Pero regardless ng mga Seven of Air dito, ng Seven of Swords, ang bottom of the deck mo is Six of Wands, by the way. So, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa iyo na kahit ano pa man ang sabihin nila dito with the Five of Fire, jealousy, anger issues, or hidden lang to eh. May tagong galit. Okay. Kasi tingnan mo naman, Ten of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, career to. Emotionally fulfilled ka, hindi ka, kahit anong pressure ang itapon sa'yo, you can handle it with care. No, you are a fragile person. I think meron kang sensitivity, meron kang ego, of course, you're just a human being. Pero I think sinusuppress mo siya, and the more na sinusuppress mo siya, ang result is sleepless nights. Pero at the end of the day, napigilan mo siya in a very good way, at saka ang ganda ng outcome. Meron ka ditong Messenger of Earth, okay, merong offer sa'yo dito na magsisimula sa maliit lang, or ang Messenger of Earth kasi is Knight of Pentacles, okay. So, Knight of Pentacles is slowly but surely, okay, but this is an offer of a lifetime, okay. Tawag yan, depende sa'yo kung paano mo papalaguin. Pero meron kang Magician card, so you can manipulate the situation. The ball is on your court, Virgo. Ikaw ang boss dito, ikaw ang driver. So, everybody will watch you. Everybody will watch you shine, and everybody will watch you skyrocket your career. At saka, perception nila dito sa'yo is talagang rock and roll ka. Meron ka rin travel. Ace of Cups is here together with the King of Air. Someone is seeing you like, dang, nag-overthink na to sa'yo. This person is all about in their mind. Okay. Pero sabi nga nila, merong apat na stage ang love. If it's attraction, then baka crush is paghanga lang dito. This person, nakikita niya kung paano lumiskarte, I mean, your mind, how your mind works pagdating sa mga pressure na situation when it comes to your career. For those Virgo na hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, you will be coming out on top, whatever it is, despite of this jealousy and anger issues and whatever it is. You are emotionally fulfilled, content, and there is a raise or bonus na hindi ka nag expect something in return, pero nasa receiving mode ka. ang source, si God, si Lord, the universe, talagang pinapaburan ka kasi ang pagtatrabaho mo at ang Virgo kasi is act of service, okay? So, lagi ko na lang sinasabi yan. Sana naman po ay nag-gets nyo ako, act of service, hindi siya nag-expect something in return. A simple thank you is okay. Para sa mga Virgo, very appreciative. Okay. Well-experienced Virgo, I think the more you're loving yourself, you spread the love, Virgo. Parang yung frequency mo is like 5 meters. Ay, inaabot nilang 5 meters, 10 meters, 20 meters. Nag expand meaning na nakakahawa, kahit anong galit ng person around you or jealousy or something in that nature, nafe-feel pa rin ng mga person na nakapaikot sa'yo na you are genuine. Pero matalim. Empress card and the Queen of Cups. Loving ka pero sometimes you're blunt. Okay, pero talagang prangka na hindi ka magpaprangka kung hindi mo tinago-tago ng mga ilang araw, okay. Or halimbawa, for example, may mga nano-notice ka, kinikip mo lang. Once na mag-aabot yung threshold ng mga ginagawa nila sa'yo, doon ka na mag-i-speak up. Talagang ang person na makakarinig is talagang mayayanig sa mga words na mga bibitawan mo. Okay, so meron ditong hidden jealousy, Virgo. Jealous of what? Jealous kasi, anong jealous? The Hermit card, you have the knowledge, Virgo. Bakit jealous? Tree of Earth, the way na makipag-collaborate ka sa mga taong nakapaikot sa'yo, the way na you are full of knowledge, Virgo. Baka hindi ka aware. Hindi ko alam, baka meron kang sometimes naisip mo, hindi mo alam kung ba't mo alam. Okay. And people is celebrating you. For those people na merong isa ditong talagang nagsiselos or talagang nakikita ka as a threat o ang nakikitaan ka niya kasi na you have the answer. You can open doors. You can open windows if you want to. Kung gusto mo, free-spirited person. People with the Three of Earth, this is Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is all about people hear your voice, Virgo. Once na magsalita ka, talagang makikinig sila. Once na may advice ka, once na based on experience, ay ganito ba nagdaanan ko, okay, experience ko naman to, so try yours. Parang ganun, itry mo yung sa'yo, baka magkaiba. Pero the way na nagbibigay ka ng advice and the way na nagbibigay ka ng idea is very, very heartfelt. Talagang ma-addict sa'yo yung person, okay? Kaibigan man yan, lover, siblings, or family member, co-worker, friends, in general. So, merong someone dito na trying to be you maybe. Okay. Copycat na sinasabi. Pero ikaw, you're just doing your own thing. Meron kang sleepless night sometimes or maybe this person na humahanga sa'yo is nagkakaroon din ng sleepless nights when it comes to thinking about how beautiful or how amazing you are as a person. Based on experience, I think this person is aware na you've been through a lot, okay? And this person wants to see your success, okay? Transformation. So Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito ang positive, pero be careful sa mga asal talangka. Okay, talagang hihilahin ka nila pababa. Pay attention din sa mga sinishare mo with the Three of Pentacles at saka the Hermit card kasi baka gamitin against you. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. But regardless, meron kang Six of Wands. Ito yung the whole theme ng reading. Six of Wands is a victory card, public eye card. People recognize your worth. People recognize how amazing you work, how amazing you collaborate with people. Yun lang ang nakikita ko dito, very wise with the Empress card. Okay, very productivity, very creative. Time management, creativity, productivity, paano ka makahalubilo sa tao, paano ka makisama. Someone is seeing you in a very bright light. So you shine this light, Virgo, the love that you share. Para bang kasi makikita mo sa tao kung genuine or plastic. And merong isang person dito na intuitive, malakas din ang intuition or nakaka-sense din. Hindi ko alam kung aware siya na malakas ang intuition niya or marunong siyang mag-sense ng person na genuine at saka fake. I think, and this person sees you as very genuine, very blunt at the same time. Rock and roll nga nasabi. Ano nga yung simple but rock na sinasabi. Okay, so this person, I think nakikita niya rin kung sino yung mga may selo sa'yo. This person sees that maybe someone around this person is nakikita niya na nagsiselo sa'yo or something in that line. Nagsiselo saan? Because of what? You gain it. Okay? Based on experience mo lang naman. Tsaka sinishare mo man lang kung ano yung, yung dapat mong gawin dito sa earth. Hindi ko nakikita dito yung negativity na you do it with intention. No? I think you're just doing your own thing. Paying your own bills with the Nine of Pentacles, single lady, maybe single, or for some of you, single mom, single, doesn't have to be single. Pero it can apply, malakas din. Kasi Nine of Pentacles para sa akin is independency, tsaka singleness, or tawag niyan, basta independency na lang. For some of you na may mga partner na Virgo, then your partner is seeing you as wow. And itong partner na to is nakikita niya kung sino mga nagdi-jello sa'yo. Mga barkada mo or what or something. Coworker, siblings. It can apply also in that scenario. Sa isa namang scenario sa mga Virgo single, you can pay your own bills, just doing your own shit. Talagang wow, dito Virgo, merong amaze na amaze sa'yo, merong nakaka-crush sa'yo dito in the background. And pay attention lang sa mga friends na nag-share ka ng information or creativity or idea because may hindi lahat ng mga nakapaikot sa'yo is talagang friend or talagang do or die mo or talagang totoo sa'yo. Okay. So, pero ikaw dito on the other hand, you are fulfilling your own desire and you are focused on your career and you are fulfill yung talagang fulfill ka dito emotionally. Very emotionally stable ka. You've been through a lot with the Empress card. Tapos ka na sa mga iyak, tapos ka na sa mga heartbreak. Seven of Swords, tapos ka na dyan. Mga talagang makikita mo kung sino nagsisinungaling, sinong totoo, or something in that line. Okay, so let me pull some 3 cards before tayo mag-closing. So, sana naman ay nag-gets ako na sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate. Better luck next time po. 3 cards more. Tower card. May. Unexpected. Page of Air. It's buying card. And the Hangman. So, you are seeing the situation in a different perspective, Virgo, with the 8 of Fire. So, expect some communication with someone or ikaw ang gustong makapag-communicate. Sa nakikita ko dito sa tatlong cards, Virgo, meron tayong Tower card. This is unexpected kind of research. Page of Air eh. Baka meron ka ditong mga inaalam or mga iniimbestigahan regarding sa gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your finances or to your career. Okay, or maybe sa love life. Okay, kasi meron tayong Ace of Cups. Meron tayong Ace of Cups, the Empress, the World card. You are ending something. You are entering to a new phase. Meaning, ready ka na sa newness. Okay, Virgo. And transformation is lumabas kanina, hindi ko lang siya nilapag. Pero kung ikaw ay talagang gusto mong may gusto kang baguhin when it comes to love, career, and family department, I think makakamit mo siya. Okay. Talagang positive na hindi lang I think, talagang positive. And may mga delay lang na mangyayari dito kasi may kailangan ka pang malaman or matutunan. Okay. Kung nag-iisip ka ng mga business ideas dito, Virgo, I think you will find it. Okay. Pero as I said, kung meron man mga detour or with hangman is being here, meron man mga detour, meron mang hindi nag-workout, just think about it as redirection. Okay, nare-redirect ka lang ng universe. Expect the unexpected dito, Virgo. 8 of Fire, meron kang communication coming in together with the Full Guard to take a leap of faith to the unknown. Okay, so baka may magko-communicate dito sa'yo or gusto magkaroon ng partnership or business project or whatever, or kung ano man ang project na gagawin mo. I think you're gonna give it a shot with a full card. Full card is to the unknown. And Gina ka dito sa to the unknown. Okay, it's a scary kind of part, pero I think bet mo rin siya kasi with the Empress card, you know yourself. You've been through a lot based on experience, so you want more. I think Gina ka dito. Okay, so meron kang communication. Maybe someone is going to communicate to offer you something big. Kasi merong nakaka-recognize sa'yo dito. Or maybe this a raise, promotion, bonus, high position, promotion. Nasabi ko na yun, promotion pa ulit-ulit. So, yun lang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Sana naman ay naka-resonate. Okay, may travel din ako nakikita. Okay, so let's see with the advice card. Tingnan natin kung anong advice sa ating mga IUVG. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Meron ka ditong talagang emotionally satisfied. 9 of Pentacles when it comes to your bills or debt. I think madidiskartehan mo siya kung may mga utang ka man, malalampasan mo. Kung may mga gusto ka mang i-purchase or something, I think you can do it. Okay, right on time, and you are going to be so happy, Virgo, that you accomplish something. And there's a lot more. Daming parating sa'yo dito blessing. Transformation, kung meron kang magician kasi. So, magician, it will depend on your own energy, own vision. Tawag niyan, the more na nabivisualize mo, the more na magmamanifest sa reality mo. So, pay attention to your thoughts. Yun ang naririnig ko din dito sa magician. Okay, so, mga manifestation is all around the corner. Okay, so, may mga delay lang with the Hangman kasi dapat may mga kailangan ka pa ditong isolve pero it will happen unexpectedly. Okay. What is the advice for my Virgo? What do you need to release? Conclusion is within reach. And a fairy climax approaches. Fairy climax approaches. Yeah. In bottom of the deck, you and your loved ones are safe. Okay, so as I said kanina Virgo, I think nirelease mo naman siya. Lahat ng mga negativity dito, negative person, places, and things, when it comes to your peace of mind, I think one by one mo siyang kina-cut off. And talagang dinadrop mo na talaga siya lahat. Wala ka ng pake. Okay. Lalo na dun sa mga person or sa mga environment na talagang dinidrain ka or merong someone secretive dito pero I think you are aware na may nagsiselos sa'yo. Okay, and the another person is noticing na may nagsiselos sa'yo. Kasi bakit nagsiselos? Kasi ang bright mo, ang liwanag, ang love na yung love is nag-overflowing with the Ace of Cups. Talagang tinatamaan yung mga, I'm talking about energetically, yung frequency-wise na yung frequency of love mo is talagang nakakahawa. Kahit na may mga, kaya nagsiselos tong mga person na dito eh. Okay. So, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, nasa kalagitnaan ka na, very climax approaches, nasa climax ka na, and kaya siguro may delay tayo dito kasi may mga kailangan kang tapusin, may mga kailangan kang i-wrap up, okay, para hindi maapektuhan ng future mo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Tapos, meron ka ng conclusion. Conclusion is within reach, meaning, may mga idea ka na kung anong magiging next step mo, naka-prepare ka na, parang kind of energy ang nararamdaman ko. Okay, so you and your loved ones are safe. Kung nag-overthink ka sa mga relatives or family member or coworker or loved ones, specifically, huwag kang mag-alala, they are very safe, divinely guided. Okay, and you as well, you are safe. Just do your own thing dito, Virgo. Be you. Gawin mo lang kung ano yung talagang feeling mong makakatulong ka kasi as a Virgo, talagang act of service. Okay, na hindi ka nag-expect something in return. Simple thank you is fine for you. So, malaking bagay na yung thank you sa'yo na ma-appreciate kung ano ang serbisyo mo. Talagang ang universe ang magbibigay sa'yo ng reward. Okay, so meron ka ditong mga unexpected promotion, unexpected resources, unexpected income, unexpected, basta, transformation. Okay, lover, career. Daming magkaka-crush sa'yo dito, tapos marami ding magsiselos. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. What is the angel message number for my Virgo, please? I-google mo siya, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Meron kang mensahe dito, google mo na lang. Meron kang 3, 5, meron kang king ancestor mo, masculine energy, meron ka ring queen, feminine energy, mga nasa age na to ng 60s, 50s, mga matatanda na. Okay, mga siguro lolo't lolo kalala ancestor mo. So, meron kang 3, 5, 10. Google mo siya, angel message number 3, 5, 10. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo, Virgo. So, this is what I have for you. Maraming salamat po. Okay, sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, just pay attention, Virgo. You're going to be victorious. You're going to be in the public eye. The more na may mga nagkakagusto sa'yo or nagugustuhan ka, babae, lalaki man yan, the more din may mga magsiselo sa energy mo. Okay, ito yung mga taong nasa low frequency. Yung mga nagugustuhan ka, sila yung mga nasa high vibration na nasa-sense yung vibration mo, energetically, frequency-wise. So, money is coming, Virgo. Career, promotion, transformation, you name it, Virgo. It's already in the air, pero meron lang tayong delay, so embrace the delay, go with the flow, don't overthink it. Kung nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights, just pray. Okay. So, yun lang masasabi ko, Virgo. So, thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.